Hey everyone, and welcome to our Oslo adventure. After an unforgettable time in Tromsø, we made a quick 36-hour stop in Oslo before heading back to Dubai. Getting into the city was really easy. We took the Flytoget Airport Express train. It's quick, runs every 10 minutes, and gets you to the city center in about 20 minutes. There's also a cheaper train option, but it runs less often.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight.
We stayed at Comfort Hotel Express Central Station, which is right in the middle of everything. It's perfect for exploring on foot, and it's just opposite of Oslo Central Station.
But you weren't really mine, just something to do.
What's up? What's up? Oslo.
After dropping off our bags at the hotel, we headed out to explore Oslo city center. This is Oslo's main street, Karl Johans Gate. It is filled with shops, cafes, and some of the city's most important landmarks. We passed by Oslo Cathedral. It's a beautiful historic church right in the city center.
This time, I've been holding on so tight. Guess all that I do was easy to use.
At the end of the street, you'll find the Royal Palace. It's the official residence of Norway's monarch.
All that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in.
This is the National Theatre, one of Norway's most important cultural institutions, known for its rich history in performing arts.
Over there's McDonald's. Let's go.
We were so tired and hungry from all the walking, we decided to stop by McDonald's for a quick bite and a little rest before going back to the hotel.
Kids meal and sour cream burger. I wanted to try.
Since it began snowing, we canceled our dinner plans and just lounged at the hotel lobby for some snacks and coffee, enjoying the cozy vibes. The next morning, we started early, before 7 a.m., to make the most of our last few hours. The area around Oslo Central Station was super quiet and peaceful.
What's the door? The door.
If you're enjoying our Oslo adventure, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our future trips.
Opera House. And I think that's where they're broken. Which is currently closed.
We passed by the Oslo Opera House. You can usually walk on the roof even when there's snow, but it was closed when we were there.
Opera House is super near to where we are staying. We just need to cross this. And we're here. We are staying over there.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine.
We also stopped by the Munch Museum, home to Edward Munch's famous painting, The Scream.
No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to you.
Within a short distance, you'll find the Mother, also known as Moren. It is a striking sculpture that adds a modern artistic touch to the waterfront. It's a popular photo spot and really stands out against Oslo's winter landscape.
Leave now, make your escape. You know the fortune favors the brave. So close, just get away. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes.
Ang laki.
I just want to be next to you.
Before going back to the hotel to refresh and check out, we grabbed some quick snacks at Byporten Mall of Oslo. Our time in Oslo has quickly went by fast. We had to be at the train station by 10 a.m. to catch our train to the airport. Flytoget tickets are also available to be purchased through ticket machines at the Oslo Central Station.
Ano?
Oslo may have been a short stop, but it was definitely worth it. Thanks for watching our quick Oslo winter escape and see you in our next adventure.